Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to up your camp tier level inside of Webfishing. Because if you want to have all of the different achievements for this game, including upping your camp tier all the way to tier 4, you're going to have to up your camp tier at some point. The camp is all the buildings, and this is basically this whole island. You just go into this main building here, you talk to Mac Daddy Toad himself, and here at the top of his purchase options is the ability to put $100 at a time towards increasing your camp tier. It starts out going to tier 2, you got to pay in 250 bucks, then it's, 2,500, so on and so forth from there until you reach level 4. So you can, pay them in 100 at a time, and then eventually you'll get all of those to get all of the achievements. So I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. This has been a brief look at how to upgrade your camp in Webfishing, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.